How to redeem Vbox card in Epic Games. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how to redeem a Vbox card in Epic Games. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a web browser, then go to epicgames.com. Make sure that you're logged in. Now once you're logged in through the browser, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here you have to click on account. That's gonna take you to your account page. Now once you're here, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down a bit and there's an option as redeem code. Click on it. Scroll down a bit and here is a section that says redeem a gift card to your account balance and buy games, Vbox and in-games item. So redeem your Vbox, you have to click on redeem gift card. That's gonna take you to a different piece. Here, now you can redeem your Vbox. Here you have to enter the code for your Vbox and once you're done with that, click on redeem. That's it. That's how you redeem your Vbox in Epic Games, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.